Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Mastella. Now, David Sassoli for 1 minute 30 seconds. President, Commissioner Barrot, Minister Billström, colleagues, we asked for this debate to focus the EU's attention on the grave violation of fundamental rights of people that come to Italy. Between May and now, more than 1,000 immigrants have been picked up at sea by the Italian authorities and taken to Libya. And through informal and indiscriminate returns, there's no proper identification, there's no right of appeal, and there's no right of seeking formal asylum. And of course they risk inhuman and degrading treatment in Libya. Mr. Barrot has said this, and he's asked Italy for information. We think that these practices are in breach of the fundamental values that underpin our Europe. This type of action is not compatible with the European Convention for Human Rights, nor with community law, particularly with regard to the Schengen Borders Code and the Returns Directive. It's not in compliance with Italian law, by the way, either. Yesterday, the UN called on Italy to respect international law, and yesterday 24 Somali and Eritrean refugees returned from Italy put forward an appeal in the court here in Strasbourg against Italy for its violation of the European Convention on Human Rights. Colleagues, illegal immigration in Italy has also become a criminal act. And simply the fact of being an immigrant means that you face discrimination and inequality, and yet you can still be punished by the law. We've seen legal migrants from all over Europe, from Portugal, Greece, Italy, and basically we're denying people the right to basic services, to health, and in the end this is leading them to face criminal proceedings. Legal experts and constitutional law experts, the Catholic and secular organisations have denounced this. How are we going to tackle these breaches of law? The European Parliament has always argued for a fight against illegal immigration, but always in compliance with fundamental rights. We want to know, President, whether the Commission is going to intervene with regard to the Italian legislation, check the Italian-Libyan agreement, because we can't allow, 20 years after the fall of the Berlin Wall, for certain governments to practice like this. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, Niki Savela, speaking instead of Mr. Borghezio for 1 minute 30 seconds.